The Leviton e2XHD cassette-based patching system provides a high-density solution for data center and enterprise applications, where fast deployment and simple maintenance are priorities. E2XHD fiber and copper cassettes quickly snap in and pull out of high-density panels, making installation moves, adds, and changes easy. Flat and angled panels also allow a mix and match of Leviton copper and fiber snap-in cassettes for greater planning flexibility, with room for up to 8 copper cassettes or 8 single-height fiber cassettes per rack unit. Leviton e2XHD flat and angled panels accommodate unshielded and shielded copper and optical fiber in the same panel. The panels offer industry-leading performance, enhanced security, and protection against EMI and RFI. E2XHD fiber cassettes are available with OM3, OM4, and single-mode fiber types and allow patching of up to 96 LC fibers per RU. And they provide a simple migration path to 40, 100, and 400 gigabit Ethernet networks with 12 and 24 fiber MTP cassettes. E2XHD copper cassettes are available empty for field termination or pre-terminated with up to 48 unshielded or shielded Atlas X1 and Extreme copper connectors per RU. With an extensive selection of accessories to simplify maintenance and protect network components, the E2XHD system is the complete solution for any patching environment. To learn more about the benefits of the Leviton E2XHD patching system, visit leviton.com/E2XHD.